spirit of manipulation and the emotional blackmailing. Holy Ghost fire, shout it 7 times and then share this video. After all these things, this man said a lot of things just few months ago. After all these things, you think that that person just woke up to your house just like that, saying not of menka or very children make kebab, or a big kebab, or a big NDC, or a big NDC invite. No, nobody is a fool. If I'm the one, I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it for any reason. Somebody was arguing with me after the video I made today regarding what Fr Mbaka said. That Fr Mbaka was never the one that tried to stop Evangelist Ebuka from doing his crusade, this and that. With other things the guy said, that I'm being one-sided, I'm this, I'm that. Well, I never said that Fr Mbaka was the one that tried to stop Evangelist Ebuka and Zion Ministry for hosting their crusade in Enugu State. I only tried to tell him that Evangelist Ebuka never wronged him in anywhere, and also tried to remind him of how Evangelist Ebuka stood by him when he was having issue with the church and the bishop, and also what he said to him, both direct and indirectly, regarding marriage, and this, and that. Then also, let's talk about what Fr Mbaka said today on the other way. You know, I'm a critical thinker, like I always tell you guys. Now, yes, I never said Fr Mbaka was the one that tried to stop him from hosting his crusade. But with the statement Fr Mbaka made, it's critically clear that there are a group of people in Enugu State that are after Evangelist Ebuka right from the war. I never said Fr Mbaka is among them or know those people, but all I know is that there are a group of people that has been against Evangelist Ebuka as well ministry. Okay, now according to that statement in Fr Mbaka made, he said that Evangelist Ebuka supposed to come and see some people, come to invite some people, like come to see the head or whatever. Who are those people he's talking about? Who are those people he was emphasizing that Evangelist Ebuka should come over and see, maybe to get a permission from them or whatever, after paying almost 60 million naira for a stadium, and a letter for approval was granted to him. Who are those people he was emphasizing that Evangelist Ebuka made a very big mistake that he should have visited? I hope it's not Fr Mbaka himself, because for me, Evangelist Ebuka has no right to come and see Fr Mbaka after all these things he has been saying. Who are those people? The group of people I know, I'm fully aware, I'm now convinced there are some group of people over there in Enugu State that are working against the ministry, or that has been working against the ministry and the Evangelist Ebuka, of which the handwriting is there for everyone to see, starting from the priest that went with a group of people to bust Lovett. He is part of those group of people, because up till now we don't know the priest. Just like the recent incident that happened in Enugu, up till now we don't know who gave the order. All those people are the same group of cabals in Enugu State that are working against Evangelist Ebuka and Zion Ministry. Making sense? So there is no way you will tell me that somebody somewhere or some group of people are not doing one or two things against Evangelist Ebuka and Zion Ministry. Remember that the same Enugu State Evangelist Ebuka was accused of doing arranging in that same Enugu state. And after 2 weeks, not even up to 2 weeks of that accusation, first accusation, somebody from Enugu state called Lovett came to Zion Ministry to add that movie. And not up to 2 weeks, the same girl was busted at Enugu state. As big as Zion Ministry, people will always come from different parts of the world to testify. How did they single, how deadly know that lady and bust her? And where did they bust that lady? Same Enugu state. And who are among the people that busted the lady where he was eating his abacha? A priest with some group of people. And who accused Evangelist Ebuka Obi of arranging and other things? A priest of Catholic Church. It can never be a coincidence that all those things are happening. It shows that there are some group of people over there in Enugu state that are playing all those things. They only want to frustrate Evangelist Ebuka on that day of the crusade, but God disappointed them. If what they are doing is right, the way most of you are trying to back them, say that this one, that one, most of you are not seeing any fault in all these things that are going on. They are calling Evangelist Ebuka bad person, ministry, what is faith is faith. If all these things they are doing is right, like they are doing the right thing, why can't they be bold enough to come out and stand on their action? Why are they going through the corners? When the Lovett stuff happened, I dare that particular Reverend Father that was bust out on what are they calling it now? Amako glass. I dared him to come out and say that it's me, I'm the one that I was passing by or whatever. Somehow we met Lovett. I dare that priest to come out that particular moment. Up to today, he never showed up, and he can never show up because he's part of the plan. This one that happened in Enugu state recently, I dare whoever that gave that order to come out and own his action. This recent one that happened in Enugu state, I dare the person that gave that order to come out and own his action and say that I'm the one that gave the order. I'm the one that said nobody should open that Nanjazi Stadium because this young man didn't come to visit me. He should come out and say it and give us reasons, convince us the reason why. Because he didn't come to acknowledge us or to invite us. No, you don't force people to do that. You just like respect. You don't force people to respect you. Respect is being earned. You don't force people to come to invite you or to their event. Especially when this particular person has been receiving attacks from those the same angle set of people. From same angle. You are not dumb. I keep telling you guys, I'm not dumb. The fact that I'm saying the way I feel and how I analyze my things, less for you guys to, twist it or do whatever. But I will be here to keep saying what I know that I'm saying. I can't be dumb like you guys, and I can't be a liar and a manipulator like you guys. I will always say it the way it is. I was expecting that particular guy to counter everything I said on that video, so that I would be releasing evidence and backing every statement I made on that video. The only luck you guys have is that the person involved is the person I respect so much. Yes, that's the only luck you guys, some of you guys that are ranting on my inbox, jumping up and down, calling me on phone, talking rubbish. If he is not somebody like, man, the evidence is there. Whenever I make a statement, I will put the video evidence. What is lie in my video? Didn't Evangelist Ebuka beg Bishop Onaga? He did a lot of, even the day they declared that adoration would continue. A lot of people were happy in their ministry. A lot of people. What is like there? Didn't they accuse him of RNG? Didn't they say that? Like, what is lie? The picture, the video is there, the evidence is there. What is lie? Is it because I don't want to go back to all those things? Because for me, I want peace, because all this whole thing is embarrassing for me. It's really embarrassing. You know? That's why I don't want to go direct sometimes. If not, you guys know, you know how I do my analysis. You know how I do my reaction. I always have backup video to back it up. So don't give me a fork regarding all this whole thing. If you don't want to, so especially, just keep your shut. And don't call me to talk rubbish. Okay? I'm not daft, and I can never be daft like some of you guys out there. Forget all this emotional blackmail, playing of victim, doing of this. Meanwhile, you know that you guys humiliated that evangelist. You know what you guys did. And because he doesn't want to talk, he doesn't want to speak. And some of you idiots is dealing with one-sided story. I thought they said when two people are having issue, wait till you listen to the other person's story before you make your judgment. But you guys doesn't want to listen. You guys just want to conclude that the person that has spoken is right, even when some of us are trying to even use what the person said in the past to remind him, this is what you did, this is how you handled it, this is how it went. You don't expect, you know, oh, you get the race. Oh, no, gamer. After all these things, this man said a lot of things just a few months ago. After all these things, you think that that person just woke up to your house just like that. Signal chokwari menka or biari trouble in make kaba on a big in a kaba on a big in NDC on a big in DC invite. No, nobody is a fool. If I'm the one, I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it for any reason. It doesn't work that way. If you want the relationship to be the way it was before, then you settle things with him. You know what to do. You settle things with him before that particular day. What is he going there to do? You know? I don't want to talk about the angle of a man and a mate who said, I'm not going to be here. He said, lie, you fully aware, you know. You know. I'm not a kid. You know. There's no way you say you don't know that they are doing this thing. They want to host this one. Nah. They're not telling stupid people. Maybe those ones out there might be stupid. Or maybe feel intimidated to always agree on whatever he said. But nah, it's not going to happen with someone like me. Okay? So, the guy called me, and he's my close guy, right? You know, I don't have problem with anybody, but if you think that what I said is wrong or lies, just counter it with evidence. Then I will also bring out my evidence. I'll bring out my evidence to show you when they said, now we can say, I will bring out my evidence and say, after I will bring out my evidence to say that if I ever hear you claim again, if I don't talk, like, gosh, you guys are crazy. So you guys have forgotten so soon. Now he's trying to play a victim. Well, this one, nah, this doesn't work that way. That's spirit of manipulation, and any spirit of manipulation and the emotional blackmailing, Holy Ghost fire, shout it 7 times, and then share this video.